Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make this easy triple berry cake. This cake is super moist, fluffy, and is so delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a small bowl, combine flour, salt, and baking powder. Mix well and set aside. Now let's move on to work on the wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine eggs and sugar. Beat well until light and frothy. Add in vanilla extract and continue to beat well. Now our mixture looks light and frothy. We're gonna go ahead and add melted butter and buttermilk and mix well. Now sift in flour mixture, adding in 3 batches, mixing well after each addition. Mix just until combined. Do not overmix, guys. Line a 9-inch cake pan with parchment paper, add batter, and spread evenly across the pan. Now scatter frozen berries on top of the batter. You are more than welcome, guys, to use fresh berries. Sprinkle with the sugar and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. The cake is done. Allow it to cool for 15 minutes in the pan, then invert onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Dust with powdered sugar, and there you have it, guys, triple berry cake. I hope you'll try this recipe. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys.